Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Hafury GT20 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, click on OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of GT20. Then receive Next to Send at the bottom of an Android. And also on an Android, click on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. In order to personalize them, tap on I agree. If you don't want to do it, choose No Thanks. Wherever you decided, tap on Close this window and go back to GT20. You can finally use all of those categories from the top to select all of your files that you wish to transfer. You can also just click on the couple of them. Then select Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. In order to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key instead by tapping on Input Key section below Enter the key. Type in all of those numbers before they expire and hitting Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Photos. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!